Good morning, everybody. Welcome today to our session. We continue with the unit number 6. Today, January the 31st, we are going to start with the activities. And obviously today we're going to focus on to the grammar one, okay? So in this case, we are going to have some of the activities related to the past continuous. We are going to focus into the past continuous form. Remember that in this case, we are relating out something that happened in the past, and obviously that you have to do in the past. So here we have, according to this, here we have some examples. But something that you must be careful about this is that the past simple is always working with was and were using a verb with the ing form. That is specifically the formula that we always follow at the moment to work on this. Was and were and the verb with the ing form. In this case, we are not going to use did or didn't. In this case, no, because we are going to use it specifically with the past continuous form that we frequently use when we talk about this kind of information. Remember that the past continuous talk about the activities in progress in the past. What is for me that was and were with the verb with the ing form that we talked about, the past continuous form, is about a past action that we are giving extra details. We are giving a lot of details about what is happening in that moment. That is the reason what people say that is activities in progress in the past, okay? So you describe a scene in the past. You give a lot of information about what is happening at that moment that happened the situation. Here we have some examples that we said was studying. Was, okay, like the simple past. But here we said was shining. Sometimes remember that you have the simple past tense, was or were, and also you have the past progressive in this case, were walking, the verb to be and the ing form. Were chasing, the verb to be and the ing form. Weren't talking, the verb to be and the ing form. Remember, was or wasn't, were or weren't, and the verb with the ing form. So we have also the yes, no questions. Were you watching? Yes, I was. Was it raining? No, it wasn't. Also, we have the yes, no question, exactly the same that we have in the present simple tense. That is specifically what today we are going to work into this unit, that we are going to work into that. The combination between the past simple. What is the past simple? A narration of a past, an action that happened and no more details. And you can use was or were. Or you can use also a regular or irregular verb. But if you are using the past continuous, you are narrating into the past, but you are giving a step by step. You are giving a lot of information about what happened in the past, using was, were, and the verb with the ing form. In this case, we have the information. And we're going to have our first activity. Natalie Diaz, start reading.
Josh hours were in town on Saturday morning. Complete Josh's description with the correct form of the past continuous.
Okay, past continuous. Remember, we're talking about the past continuous. Pay attention to this, the verb to be and the verb with the ing form. And in the parentheses, you have the verbs. Remember, you're using the past continuous. You're using the past continuous form. Please, attention, boys, you are going to use the annotate bar. Boys, you are going to use the annotate bar. Boys, you are going to use the annotate bar, and the ladies use the chat. Quickly, 2 minutes, please. Okay, ladies use the chat, boys use the annotate bar. Please complete the sentences. Remember, past continuous form. Quickly, let's do it. Boys, confirm me please if the annotate bar is working, yes or no? Yes or no? Boys, ¿no hay hombres en el grupo?
Yes, teacher, yes.
Is working the annotate bar or not?
Yes, miss.
Okay,
Yes, miss.
start please. Very good. Let's do it. Continue with number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have a lot of sentences. Let's do it quickly. Hurry up. Complete information about it. Okay. Hurry up. Okay. Quickly, quickly. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it quickly. Hurry up, ladies. Ladies. Quickly. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it quickly. Ladies. Okay. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it quickly. Continue, let's do it. Hurry up, ladies. Okay, continue with the rest of the exercises. Okay, so in this case, we have the information according to this. Let's do it, let's do it. Let's do it. Quickly. Okay. Yeah, hurry up, hurry up. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. Quickly. Okay, now we're going to check some of the answers. Now we're going to check some of the answers. We're going to clear them. Okay. Pacquiao, start reading the number 1, please.
Rosa and I were having coffee at a
At the cafe. Okay, continue with the number 2, Ian.
we were wearing
We were
t-shirts and shorts.
very good. Continue. Next one.
A woman on the table next to us was talking on her mobile.
On her mobile. Okay, number 4.
I were writing postcards to my family.
Thank you. Continue, Alejandra. Continue with the rest of the sentences, Alejandra.
Rosa was taking photos with her mobile.
Number 6, continue.
One waiter and were having a chat with a customer.
One waiter, remember, one waiter represents he. And that's the reason that you say was, okay? One, it's only one, and waiter, you could say he, and it's representing with was, okay? Continue, number 7, miss.
Another waiter and were taking drinks to a table.
Where? No, was. Remember, waiter, another, talking about one, waiter, he was, no where. Okay, continue with the number 8.
Some birds
Birds, in plural,
were eating crumbs under my chair.
Okay, very good. Those are the conditions. Completing your books quickly. Completing your books. 2 minutes quickly. Let's do it. Let's do it. Completing your books. Complete in your books. Okay. Let's do it. Complete in your books. Quickly, quickly. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Where? So we continue with the next part of this. We continue with the next part of this. And now we are going to look at this picture, okay? You have this information in your student book. Please, you have this information in your student book, the number 2, okay? You have this information in the number 2, right? Now you look at the picture and correct the sentences. Attention. I need that you pay attention to all the people and all the actions. It's an attention activity. Look all the people around you, in this case, in this picture, and obviously you are going to correct the sentences. You are going to correct the sentences. Did you see? And obviously to correct the sentences, you are going to observe everything around this picture about all the people in this case talking for them in this section, okay? So remember, look and correct the sentences. Example number 1, Rosa and Wash weren't having a coffee in a cafe. They were having they were having orange juice. Talking specifically about this. Did you see? Okay, so ladies, you are going to use the annotate bar. Ladies, you are going to use the annotate bar. Boys, use the chat quickly. Boys, use the chat. Quickly, let's do it. Boys, use the chat. Hurry up, please. Let's do it. Okay. Quickly, girls. Look at the pictures and correct the sentences, okay? Boys, quickly, use the annotate bar. Okay? Quickly, ladies. Ladies, quickly. Hurry up. Okay. Okay, students started in this case, right? Vamos rapidito. Ladies, use the annotate bar. Boys, use the chat. Okay. So quickly, vamos. Let's do it quickly. Hurry up. Boys. Los varones están dormidos todavía. ¿Qué pasó? Vamos. Ya falta poco, ya terminamos. Terminemos como debe de ser. Terminemos como empezamos, con ánimo, vamos. Vamos. Let's do it. Hurry up. Solo 2 varones en el aula y el resto dormidos o no hay. Vamos. Continue, ladies. Continue with the number 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Continue with the rest, okay? Look at the pictures and observe what is happening. Hurry up. Okay. Very good. Now the boys wake up. That's good. Recién despertaron los hombres. Vamos. Let's do it. Vamos, chicas, déjense de ociosidades. Look at the pictures, and obviously you are going to work on that. Excellent, Andres. Very good. Okay. Andres, share in one answer all of them. All in one. Okay. The rest, quickly, please. Let's do it quickly. Hurry up. The rest of the ladies. Chicas, ¿qué pasó? Vamos. The rest of the ladies, quickly. Okay, let's do it. Janina. Dalia, I don't know what you're waiting for. Dominic. Mercy. Let's do it. Hurry up. Let's do it. Quickly, let's do it. Okay, so in the chat, we have some of the information. What happened with the number 7? Ladies, what happened with the number 7? Ladies, okay. What happened in number 7? Okay. Let's do it. Quickly. Okay. Okay, quickly with the number 7, boys and girls. Okay. Let's do it. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it quickly. Girls, what happened with the number 7? Okay, So here we have the information. Okay, so here we have the information, and now we're going to check. Let me check my evidences. Okay, let's do it. Okay, very good. Well, we're going to correct the errors. We're going to correct the errors now. Okay, let me clear the drawings here. Let me clear all the information about this. Okay, so Dalia Suarez, start reading, please.
They weren't wearing t-shirt and shirt.
Okay,
They were wearing sweatshirts and jeans.
sweatshirts and jeans. Thank you. Sabino, continue with the number 3.
Yes, teacher.
Number 3, please.
The woman on the table next to them wasn't talking on her mobile. She was on the computer.
She was,
On the computer.
but what is the
Working
verb?
on her
Was
computer.
working. That is the verb. Remember that you are going to use was and a verb with the ing form. Thank you. Continue with the number 4, Janina. Continue with the number
Thanks,
4.
teacher.
Okay.
Just wasn't writing postcards to his family. Just was reading a book.
Okay, just was reading a book. Remember that you are going to use exactly was and the verb with the ing form. Thank you. Dominic, continue with the number 5. Dominic, continue with the number 5.
Rosa wasn't taking photos with her mother. Rosa was writing in a paper.
I was writing in a paper or writing postcards. Okay, very good. Continue with the number 6, please. Jorge Chicaiza, number 6.
The waiter was having a date with curtain. We was.
He was. What was the waiter doing? Here you have the weighted 1 and the weighted 2. Mister, what is the answer? What is the answer, mister? He was? Mister, he was? Chicaiza, read the sentence. He was
Talking on his mobile.
on his mobile, okay? Number 7, continue, Frederick.
Okay. The other waiter was not taking drinks to the table. He was
What was?
talking. No, taking pizza.
Taking a pizza. He was taking
Taking a pizza.
pizza. Very good, okay? Continue with the next one, Mercy. Number 8. Mercy. Mercy Verduga, number 8. Mercy Verduga, number 8. Mercy, I'm waiting for you, Mercy. The birds. Diego Anchala, continue with the number 8, Diego.
The bears were eating fruit under just cherry. They were sitting on the tree.
Very good. They were sitting. Remember that is the past continuous form in this case. Remember the past continuous. The use of was or were, affirmative or negative, plus the verb with the ing form. That is exactly what we are going to use. Wasn't or weren't, and the verb with the ing form. Also, you can say it was and the verb with the ing form in this case, right? It's exactly what you're going to do in this case. Now we continue with the next exercise. Okay, and in the next exercise, we are going to have some sentences. Attention. Please, Misael, read the information, please, Misael.
Write what you think these people were doing yesterday at midday. Use your imagination. They compared you idiots with the class.
Read example number 1.
Angela, a journalist.
Stop. Angela, a journalist. In the picture, journalist, Anna. Who is Anna? She's Anna? She's Anna or she's Anna? Who is Anna? The lady in blue, the lady in yellow, or the lady in white? Who is Anna for you, Miss Said?
Lady in blue.
She's a journalist, you consider? The lady in blue? You consider she's the journalist? What about her? The lady in white or yellow, the lady in yellow. Maybe for me, she is the one. Okay, so what is the answer?
I think Angela was interviewing a witness.
You are correct. You were correct. Interviewing, she was interviewing a witness. You were correct. Tú estabas en la razón. The lady in blue is the journalist. The lady in blue is the journalist because she is interviewing she was interviewing a witness. Using this picture, va a usar esta imagen nuevamente. Using this picture, you are going to make these situations. Attention, what exactly you are going to do? You are going to write what you think the people were doing. Use your imagination. For example, Angela, the journalist. I think, that is the expression. I think Angela was interviewing a witness. We continue with Mask, Chloe, Snoopy, Jules, and Matilda. These people, ¿dónde la va a encontrar? A estas personas. You are going to find them into the picture. You are going to find them into the picture here. Okay, you are going to try to find them into the picture. Y a los que no los encuentre, you are going to use your imagination. You are going to use your imagination here, like the example, okay? Esta actividad, ¿dónde la va a trabajar? En el PowerPoint template. ¿Dónde va a trabajar usted estas 6 oraciones? En el PowerPoint template en línea que tenemos, ¿ok? En el PowerPoint template. Luego volveremos a hacer una recapitulación de todo lo que tenemos que trabajar en el PowerPoint template. Okay, we continue with the next exercise. Okay, and obviously here we have right questions. Now we are going to make questions. Remember, what is the thematic of the questions here? You are going to use was or were at the beginning, the subject, and the verb with the ing form. Cuando trabajamos just no questions, recordemos qué es lo que normalmente tenemos que hacer. Was or were at the beginning, the subject, and the verb with the ing form. Okay, and obviously here we have the information in disorder, and you are going to organize that information according to your necessities. Okay, so we're going to start. Janina, read example number 1, please.
Your father worked at 11 a.m.
Okay, what
Was
is
your
that?
father working at 11 a.m. yesterday?
Very good. Continue, Janina, with the number 2.
You sleep and at midnight.
What is the form of the question?
Was you sleeping at midnight?
Was you? Are you sure that is was you? What is the correction? Where you? Remember, he, she, it, was. You, we, they, were. That is the correct form, okay? Remember that. Ivana, number 3.
Your teacher teach a lesson at midday.
Mm-hmm.
Was
Was
your teacher teaching a lesson at midnight?
very good. Diana Maldonado, number 4.
You wear anything blue in the morning?
You have you. What is the correct form?
Were wearing anything blue?
Where?
Were you wearing blue in the morning?
Very good. Were you wearing anything? Okay. Natalia, continue with the number 5. What is the number 5, Natalia? Something wrong happened with your microphone, Natalia. Natalia.
I miss.
Okay. Your best friend says was or where? Was your best friend or were your best friend?
Was
Continue.
was your best friend sitting next to you at school?
Okay, continue with the number 6, Ernesto. Continue with the number 6, Ernesto. Ernesto.
Where it's raining at 3 p.m.
Were it or was it?
Was
He,
it?
she, it was. Remember. What is the correction?
Was.
Was.
What is raining at 3 p.m.
Very good. Please, completing your books quickly. Completing your books, everybody. Completing your books, everybody, please. Let's do it. Let's do it. Completing your books, okay? Hurry up, hurry up. Okay, let's do it quickly. Very good, okay, let's do it. Very good. Okay, now we're going to continue with the next part of this. We're going to continue with the next part of this. And obviously you are going to work into the following conversations. Okay, attention, you are going to work in the following conversations. And obviously you are going to listen. It's a listening activity. It's a listening activity, okay? Remember that you are going to listen. Remember that you are going to listen. And obviously you are going to complete using, you are going to listen using the verbs in the box. You are going to listen using the verbs in the box. Attention. Listen and complete in your book. Listen and complete in your book. Listen and complete in your book. 1, 2, and 3.
1.
Were you studying maths yesterday at 8 o'clock?
At 8 o'clock? No, I was walking along the street.
Where were you going?
To my piano lesson?
Okay, what is the number 2, please? Open your microphones. What is the number 2?
Was walking.
And the number 3? Activate your microphones. Number 3.
Where are you going?
Do you going?
Okay, very good, Diana. Okay, attention. Continue with the next one. The rest of the students. Wake up, the rest of the students.
2.
What were you doing at 8 o'clock last night?
I was frying onions and garlic in the kitchen.
What were you making?
Soup.
Okay, what happened in the number 4? What is the number 4? Everybody. Number 4, wake up. Number 4, everybody activate your microphones. Number 4. What? Hey, number 4. Sorry, Janina.
Was doing.
Okay, what were you doing? What is the number 5? Hey, number 5, activate your microphones. Number 5. People, number 5. Number 5. By association.
Onions.
Okay, was frying onions, okay? And the last one, number 6.
What do you making?
What were you making? What were you making? Remember that we're using the past continuous form. Attention to the last block, okay?
3. I was sitting on a train at 8 o'clock last night.
Were you traveling alone?
Yes, I was. I was listening to music and was looking out of the window.
Okay, so what is the number 3?
I was sitting on a train.
Okay, I was sitting. Number 4. Number 4. Sorry, the
Do
next
you go
one.
alone?
Okay. Were you traveling alone? Remember that is past continuous. Were you traveling alone? The next one.
Was listening.
I was listening. And the number 10.
Looking.
Number 10.
Looking.
Was looking. Correct the errors, please. Correct your errors quickly. Let's do it. 1, 2. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, and 3, right? Let's do it. Let's do it quickly. Let's do it quickly. Hurry up. Hurry up. Okay. Well, now we go to the next part. Okay. Now we go to the next part and we have the activity number 6. Okay. Activity number 6. Attention to the following. Please, Manuel Pico, start reading. Manuel Pico, start reading.
What were you doing at this time last weekend? Write 5 true sentences and 1 false sentence.
Okay, what is the example? Pay attention that we says 3 o'clock, at 3 o'clock. And obviously here we said at 3 o'clock here. This is the time. Okay, start please at.
At 3 o'clock on Saturday afternoon, I was watching a tennis match.
Okay, so 5 sentences and 1 false and 1 false. Okay, at 5, at 8, at 11, at 1, at 3, at 7, and 10. You are going to make your personal sentences, a total of 5 true sentences and 1 false. 5 verdaderas, 1 falsa. Where you are going to work with this information? Where you are going to work with this information? In the PowerPoint template. ¿Dónde va a trabajar esto? En el PowerPoint template. ¿Ok? En el PowerPoint template online que tenemos nosotros, ¿verdad? Y que obviamente lo vamos a trabajar. En este momento yo necesito, vamos a cerrar la sesión y nos vamos a reconectar. Nos vamos a reconectar y quiero que ingrese ya al PowerPoint template en línea. Vamos. Nos reconectamos de inmediato con el PowerPoint online. Nos reconectamos de inmediato con el PowerPoint online. Rapidito, por favor. Rapidito, por favor. Se nos cae la sesión. Necesito que regresemos con el PowerPoint en línea abierto. Nos reconectamos de inmediato.